What's up, guys? So right now I'm gonna go to the kids' school to pick up some homework packets that they got, and I'm gonna kind of, while I'm out and about, I'm gonna go rinse the car off because I cannot stand how like dusty and dirty it is. I'm not gonna detail it. I'm just gonna run it through the touchless car wash real quick. We're good on gas. Yeah, we're good on gas. So, and then later we're gonna be doing a small little upgrade to the car. So let's go head to the school. Alright, I don't know about y'all, but I don't move the car until it's within operating temperatures. I do this every time I drive the car. I will literally wait until it's within the operating temperature. I don't know if that's of any type of benefit or not, but I just like to make sure that the engine is nice and warm and the oils have passed through before I drive it. Oh, and another thing that I want to do in the future is when we get it in some better lighting, I'll be able to show you what I'm talking about. But this cluster cover, this plastic piece right here, is it has a whole bunch of like scratches and stuff. So we're gonna be cleaning that up. That way it's nice and smooth and clear, and cleaning the inside as well because it has a lot of dirt. Can't see, of course, but God, it feels so good to be in this car. It hasn't been a very long time since I've driven it, but it just feels good to be able to get out and drive it. And those hood louvers, God, they look good from inside the car. Look. That's rare. You can see all the little water spots there. That's why it's bothering me. Right now it really sucks in Texas because lately it's been very like windy, and right when the wind kind of settled, it's been extremely like foggy. Right now the fog is kind of settling, it's hitting in different areas, but this sucks at the time right now because, you know, that virus is a little airborne. So here we are, got the popo. Gotta put the phone down. Gotta put the phone down. We got the popo over here plotting. This is what they're doing. They're just handing out the homework packets, which is pretty cool. Alright, so we got the homework packets. Now let's go rinse this bad boy off real quick. My AC is not working right now because I need to, recharge the AC system with Freon. So, I can't see. Need to lower the window down ASAP. Alright, now that we got this out of the way, go to the bank, and then we're gonna install that part. 3, 2, 1. The Strut man does driving and filming at the same time, especially with the turning it and flipping it and moving and shifting. Hey dude, I gotta give it to you. Must take years of practice right there. 40 roll right here, second gear pull. Whoa, slow down, slow down, slow down. Oh, I need to do something about my brakes. have here are the MRT hood struts. Now what this is gonna do is gonna remove the manual hood prop. This is gonna provide a more simplified, updated look to your engine bay. It also supposedly gives you more room to work inside the engine. So I'm really looking forward to that. And the best part about this kit is that it is a non-drill kit. That means that you're not gonna have to drill any holes inside your hood, inside the fender well, nothing like that. Simply remove the bolts, slap these brackets on there, and you should be good to go. Now, one thing that I am gonna do is remove the logo here. Sorry, MRT. The reason I'm gonna do that is because I'm gonna be doing a lot of engine cosmetic upgrades within the next year or so. And this is going to stand out too much, and I want a very modern, simplified look inside the engine bay. So let's go ahead and install these. Shouldn't take no more than 15-20 minutes. So yeah, let's go ahead and do that. Oh, and before, some people may argue that, you know, hood props, they'll last you forever compared to these hood struts. But come on, these are going to last a pretty long time. Pretty affordable. Even for a person that doesn't have a lot of money, they can save like, you know, $10 every check, $20 every check, and you should be able to buy these in no time. So replacing these is not a very big deal. It's not like you're replacing a clutch or anything, obviously. This is very big convenient for that'll last you at least several years. So yeah, let's go ahead and install these. I'm going to be eliminating this old style of lifting the hood up. It's very effective though, because that thing will last you forever. But so I'm not knocking it, but you know, it's 2020, we got to do something better than this. Now this install is going to be super easy, very simple. All we're doing is really adding the brackets and then punching in these struts. Just go ahead and get straight to it. For this install, we're going to need a 8mm socket, a 10mm socket, and of course a ratchet. Now these things they have a really nice finish. I like that they are, I don't know, I just like black. Now what's good is that they went ahead and labeled these on the brackets. They got an R on both of the brackets, the small and the long one, to help you know which one goes where. The one labeled with R is gonna go on the passenger side. Now if you're looking at the engine from the front like you are faced, this is obviously the passenger side. What we're gonna do is follow the fender wheel and follow all these bolts till you get to the very last one. I know y'all can't see this very well, but yeah, get the last one. We're gonna unscrew that, add the small little bracket on here, and then proceed to add the bracket up here. Alright, now that we got that off, we're gonna go ahead and put the bracket on, which I have in my pocket, and it's gonna go this way. Alright guys, now that we installed the bracket down here, what we're gonna do is remove this top bolt, and then after we remove the top bolt, we're only gonna remove this one about halfway. That way we can slide the bracket in and then tighten everything back up. We're only gonna take this one about halfway down, just enough to slide the bracket on and then tighten everything back up. Strut and just pop them on there, and it does tell you which side it's going to go up. Alright, now that we got this side done, we're going to move on to the driver's side. Hopefully this doesn't come crashing down on me. We got it. Alright, now we're gonna check to see if it works. With my hood, I have to slam it down really hard, and I'll explain why in a second. Well, that might have been why I had to slam it down really hard. Anyways, guys, check that out. Like, it goes up so smooth, of course. With time, that's gonna kind of wear off, but it'll be a very long time before I have to replace these. It looks so much better, so much more modernized. It looks great. Like, these things look good. Once I'm done with the engine bay cosmetic, it's gonna look so good because I'm gonna get rid of a lot of like unnecessary stuff in here. I'm gonna put, like, just simple things like upgrade the caps and put a whole bunch of covers on here, simplify things. So it's gonna look really good once I'm done. Hopefully by the end of this year. Hope you enjoyed today's quick and easy install. It's a very easy, cheap way to update the look of your engine bay. And like I said, very easy. It took me like 15 minutes. If you enjoyed the video, make sure to subscribe, smash that like button. And until next time, this is Solo signing off.